Good evening po mga kanayon, mga ka-township. I'm here to greet my daughter's birthday. Happy birthday to my daughter Giselle. She's celebrating it today, and I love her very much. And I'll show you that I'm making a squid. In Tagalog, it's pusit. And I'm gonna marinate it right now. Okay? I'll show it to you. Right there. Let me get a light there. Right there. And then I'm gonna put silver swan. Dato puti for marinating it. I'm gonna make adobong pusit, adobong squid, right? And probably putting some oyster sauce or whatnot, and sesame oil. I'll make it really delicious. Okay, that's all I'm gonna put there. And then instead of black pepper, I have a white pepper, grinded, pulverized. Okay, so I have this powdered garlic too, and I'll put some herbs too if I want to do it. Yeah, and then I'm gonna say happy birthday to my daughter Giselle. Okay, I love you very much, anak. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you.